How to share your Outlook calendar. Step 1. Open Outlook. Click on the calendar icon in the lower left. Click Share Calendar from the menu. You'll be presented with a list of calendars that can be shared. Step 2. Select the calendar you would like to share. Step 3. You'll be presented with the Permissions section of the Calendar Properties dialog box. Click the Add button. Step 4. In the dialog that opens, you'll have access to your contact list to easily select a user to share. Add as many users as you'd like. Click on a contact and then the Add button to add a user from your contacts. Step 5. In your list of users, you'll see the permissions options. Here, we see can view and can edit. Select each user and then choose your desired level of permissions for each. Step 6. When you're done, click the Apply button and then the OK button. This will send an email to each user, who can then accept or reject the calendar sharing invite.
Thanks for watching the IT Room. Stay vigilant and see you soon.